Automotive Locksmiths Caboolture. At Auto Tech Locksmiths, we're seasoned locksmiths North Lakes citizens and business owners can trust. We operate in Caboolture and all of Brisbane Northside, providing automotive, commercial, and residential locksmith services, including key cutting, lost key help, rekeying, lock repair, safe locksmithing, and lockout services. Our locksmiths comply with the latest safety standards, arrive on time, and are available around the clock. We handle new protection and key systems, such as electronic locks, to keep your family and possessions safe. Our team can also look after emergency repairs and replacements. We make high-quality keys from code, so your business has replacements quickly. Instead of changing locks, we rekey them to ensure old keys no longer work. Locked out of your car? Our locksmith service is available 24/7. Lost your transponder keys? Our mobile team can set up and prepare a new remote key for you.